Hello and welcome again. As I said in the previous video, you can use any text editor you want. For example, PyCharm or Atom or Sublime Text, etc. But I would seriously recommend you to download Anaconda and use the Jupyter Notebooks along with me. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to download the Jupyter Notebook and Anaconda. Just go to Google and type Anaconda download and it will take you to this page where click on this first link and it will take you here. And now depending on whether you are on Windows or Mac OS or Linux, you can choose your operating system. If you're as I am on Windows, I'll choose Windows and I'll go for 64-bit installer because I'm on 64-bit computer. But if you are on a 32-bit computer, then go ahead with the 32-bit installation. The installation will start. As I already have it installed, I will not install it again. So it is a big file, 466 MB, but it will, seriously believe me, it will make your life very easy, and it will allow you to focus only on the data science part and not on anything else. So after downloading it, just click on the executable file and it will ask you to do next. So it is pretty simple. At one point it will give you two options to choose between, but it will also tell you that one of them is recommended and one is not recommended. So go for the recommended one and finish the installation. So now once you install it, just go here and type Anaconda Navigator. Go to this Navigator app, and once it opens up, might take a little time, but once it opens up, you will see what it is all about. Yeah, so once it opens up, you can see here it has so many options. It has Spider, it has a console, it has Notebook, Jupyter Lab, it has RStudio for R programming language, etc. But we will use the Jupyter Notebook. We will click launch here and it will open up the browser. Like this, and now we can create a new folder here and call it anything of our choice. So I'll come here, this untitled folder, I'll just rename it to comprehensive pandas tutorial. Okay, I'll open it here, and this is where we'll be working. Another way to create this folder is to go to your Windows, to go to this PC, then this Windows C drive, and then go to your users, and then your name, and then just create a new folder here. For example, comprehensive tutorial, comprehensive pandas tutorial, and that is all. You will see that folder name here. Once you go to this home page, you will see this comprehensive pandas tutorial, and you can start working in this. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.